Most building teams don't lack data, they lack a system. Risk gets buried in inboxes, photos, spreadsheets, and PDF reports. Then costs show up late, and everything becomes reactive. Introducing Ovrsite Atlas, a true live building intelligence ecosystem that connects every site, every building, every inspection, and every decision, so you can manage proactively, not retrospectively. Start in Monitor. See what's changed, what's due, and what needs attention across your entire portfolio, so nothing slips through. Move to Explore. Go from portfolio to site to building to inspection in seconds, with full history and context, without hunting through folders or pages. Then manage. This is where Oversight is different. It doesn't just show findings, it turns them into prioritized actions. CAPEX visibility and compliance follow-through. You can plan budgets and forecasts across the next 5 years. Track progress and stay in control as conditions change. When you need to prove it, go to evidence. Every report ever created, every RAMS document, every photo, every piece of supporting evidence, available instantly, linked to the exact building, inspection, and issue it relates to. Accessible across any device, 24/7, making sure your teams have a real-time view of your property portfolio. Not a snapshot, an always up-to-date picture you can share with confidence. And Oversight fits into how enterprises actually work. You don't have to rip out existing systems, pull your data into Oversight, or push Oversight intelligence into your existing systems, platforms, or reporting tools. You reduce operational burden, all of this without putting a single person at height. Next, Oversight closes the loop even further, requesting anonymous, verified quotes against any defect so you can benchmark cost and scope, challenge inflated recommendations, and hold contractors accountable. 0 minutes at height, enabling proactive management rather than costly reactive repairs. This is building management at a different level: live, connected, decision-ready oversight. Oversight. Book a demo and see the difference on your portfolio.